Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Mood Disorder Questionnaire template. What is a mood disorder questionnaire? Mood disorders are a type of mental health condition that significantly impact emotional states. Depending on their severity, they can negatively affect other aspects of a person's life, including their relationships, as well as their activities of daily living. An example of a mood disorder would be bipolar disorder. This type of mood disorder is characterized by sudden and intense mood swings, which are referred to as episodes. There are two types of bipolar disorder episodes: manic and depressive. When a person is having a manic episode, that means that they are immensely energized and sometimes to the point where they become irritable. On the other hand, if a person is having a depressive episode, they will be feeling down frequently. They may have feelings of worthlessness, apathy, and emptiness. Some may even experience both episodes at once. In order to diagnose a person with a mood disorder, healthcare professionals must conduct interviews and comprehensive tests. These tests often include the use of assessments such as this one, the Mood Disorder Questionnaire, which is a 5-item questionnaire developed to help people accurately diagnose bipolar disorder. As a result, it is commonly used by therapists, counsellors, and psychologists. Here's how to use a mood disorder questionnaire. Distribute to the patient and fill out the name and date, as well as read the instructions. You will then need to tick yes or no for each statement. The final step is to then interpret the results, which can be incorporated within an intervention. To view a sample template for the Mood Disorder Questionnaire, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the questionnaire for free. You can also find the template through the Carepatron community platform. Type in the keywords to find the note and then edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare related videos.